Hi guys, I'm Silverwolf, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how long batteries tend to last in the various Furbies. I get a lot of questions about this and I thought I'd do a really quick video to just show how long the batteries last. I find as a general rule the older Furbies, like the 90s Furby here and then 2006 Funky Furby, their batteries last a bit longer. Now when I was a kid this wasn't the case because I was playing with my Furby a lot and his battery didn't last 5 minutes. But as I've been working with Furbies now for a considerable amount of years, I have found that these two eat through batteries far more slowly than the others. The 2012s and onward, up to the Furby Crystal, that's these, that also includes Furbacker. Since they have more movement in them, the whole body sort of like moves like that and everything, whereas these two are static, these ones do eat through batteries a lot faster. It all depends. I would give you like how long the batteries last, but it all depends how much they're played with and for how long. So basically, if you're playing with your Furby for hours a day, it's going to eat through batteries really fast. I'm not sure on the actual sort of speed at which it will eat through the batteries, but the more you play with it, the faster it'll eat through batteries, so remember that. So like I said, the 2012s and onward up to the Furby Crystal eat through batteries about the same amount. All of those series do. And the Furby Connects, now the Furby Connects do eat through batteries faster still because they have the Bluetooth in them. They also move a lot more. They also are more active, so if you leave the Furby by itself, it will be more talkative. Now these Furbies, actually I think all of them do react to sound, but these ones are especially sensitive, so if there's noise going around you're going to have your Furby constantly going off, moving and talking. So basically they will eat through batteries a lot faster. But I think the Connects do eat through batteries a little bit faster than those before, because they, like I said, they've got more moving parts and the Bluetooth and stuff in them. And they're always jiggling and wiggling and everything like that. Also the app is quite interactive, so if you've been playing with your Furby a lot with the app, especially back when it had the movie theatre working in it, which no longer works, yeah, your Furby's going to eat through batteries. And I found the Furby Connects do eat through batteries. I have to change them far more often than I do, even the 2012s onwards, because, like I said, they are pretty hungry when it comes to batteries. So that's pretty much it. So the older ones tend to eat through them more slowly because less moving parts, and the newer ones, they eat through them a lot faster. So, you know, that's my video really. I just thought I'd let everyone know. Most people probably already know this, but I do get a few people asking, and I do get a few people also asking how fast do they eat through them. They want, like, do they last a few days, a few weeks? It all depends how much you play with them. Honestly, it varies quite a lot. So I find that the Funky Furby, ever since I got him, I've had him on quite a bit. I've never replaced his batteries. The Furby Connects, I have replaced them tons of times. All 4 of my Furby Connects have had the batteries replaced a lot of times. And the same goes for the 2012s onwards. Because not only do they eat through the batteries fast, they also seem to flatten the batteries when they're not doing anything. So, whereas the 90s Furbies, I have the batteries in them for months, and, you know, without playing with them, and they don't even bother, and the Funky Furby's the same. For some reason the batteries do flatten in the other ones, which is more understandable with the Connect, because as we know the Connect does remain switched on for a little portion of its time after it goes to sleep, which of course is using battery. No matter how small, it's still using it. So, like I said, that's just how it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm sorry I haven't switched them on. Like I said, I wanted to do a quick video. I think this one actually does have working batteries in it, from how it's asleep. He's got working batteries in. This one has working batteries in. I say that. There we go. Wow, he didn't go back to sleep. No, this one doesn't have batteries in at the moment. You can also tell from the weight as well if they've got batteries in, because of course each one takes 4 AA batteries. So that's all for this video. If you want to see more Furby videos, you can click the boxes that are coming up below. As always, check out my Furby merchandise, or buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. The links are in the description. Don't forget also to check out, if you haven't already, and everyone should know this by now, I have a Discord server. The link is also in the description if you want to join. And that's all for this time. This is Silverwolf signing off. Catch you later.